located in Prabhas Patan near Varwar in Saurashtra coast of India, Gujarat. Is believed to be the among first true Jyotirling shrines of Shiva. The present temple was reconstructed in Chalukya style of Hindu temple architecture and completed in May 1951. Thank you.
Second, Mallikarjun. According to mythology of God Mallikarjun, Shiv and Parvati in their divine dance of creation and victimization once took the form of Mallikarjun and Brahma. The temple is believed to be the god Mallikarjun and goddess Brahma united in Mangalore. Thank you. Third, Mahakaleshwar. In Sanskrit, Maha means great and Kal means time, and that it is believed Lord Shiva is the god of time and death. Thank you.
Fourth, Omkareshwar. It is one of the 12 receiving Jyotirling shrines of Shiva. It is an Iceland called
Fifth theme is Kedarnath. One of the most famous temple in India in the Kedarnath region in the Himalayas. Kedarnath is the very extremely temple in India. Snow feet is 11,700.
Is the Bajnath. After the deep meditation, King Ravan was able to obtain Shivling from the Lord Shiva as per a reward for devotion. He wanted to carry out to Lanka. Lord Vishnu somehow made Ravan over it to hand, and that place is a god it at Holy Bajnath. Thank you.
Hello, today I am talking about Nageshwar Jyotirling. Nageshwar Jyotirling comes in number 10. Nageshwar Jyotirling temple is located in place called Darukavanam. Once there was a demon named Daruk ruling over the forest of Darukavanam. He was imprisoned an ardent devotee of Lord Shiva called Supriya along with the other devotees. Seeing the atrocity of the demon, Supriya started chanting the mantra Om Namah Shivaya and encouraged all the devotees to do that. Soon Lord Shiva appeared as a Jyotirling and the demon was vanquished. The temple was later constructed in that place dedicated of Lord Shiva.
located in Tamil Nadu. The shrine is dedicated to Lord Shiva. The temple is built across the area of 15 acres. The story behind the Rameshwaram temple was that after killing Ravan to save his wife Sita, Lord Ram worshipped Lord Shiva to compensate for the sin to kill a Shiva devote Ravan. Thank you.
12th Jyotirling is Krishneshwar temple. The earliest reference to the Krishneshwar temple The earliest reference to the Krishneshwar temple can be found in various ancient texts and inscriptions. This reference indicates the reference of Lord Shiva. So dedicated to Lord Shiva at the seat. However, the original temple was likely a simple